Hey everybody, I'm Dave and I'm building a home theater. And this is going to be a DIY tip. It's really important to be magnetic, not just a magnetic personality, which I do not have. I'm a little bit more rough around the edges. But anyway, you need to be magnetic. Like this, see? This is metal and I'm magnetic. It's pretty freaking cool. And I can pull wires through walls with my magnetism. Actually, I can't. I'll show you this in a second. Stay tuned. Okay. Hey, welcome back. This is a Magnapull. It's two really strong magnets, and they cost about. It's expensive. It's about $125, but it's worth every penny. And this is one of the secrets to pulling any kind of wire through walls, whether it's cable wire, speaker wire, electrical wire. I've probably pulled, just in my downstairs renovations that I've done the last year, I'd say probably around 400 feet of different wire types with this little setup. I love this thing. And every contractor that's come down here to help me out with this project, they didn't know about this. You know, electricians do, but you know, some of the other guys that help me out, they've never seen one of these. And so it's so strong, it goes through walls. Now, what I'm going to do is run. I thought of this after the fact, after it's all done. I need to run an Ethernet cable from the utility room over to the audio rack. And if you can see right there, there's a hole in the ceiling with wires coming out. I'm going to snake it from the room that the camera's in through over the doorway and through that little hole over here. So it's pretty sweet. I'm going to show it to you, so just hang on for a second. Okay, so I've hand-fed the wire over there as far as I could with my arm. And my arm is definitely not long enough to reach all the way over to that little hole. So I'm going to use this little doodad here, and I'm going to find the other magnet with this and then drag it over to that hole. And if everything goes right, it's going to pop out in just a couple of seconds. Now, some other things that I've used to pull wires and other stuff through the walls, fish tape. They're available at any big box store, Amazon, eBay, etc. Glow rods, which are like fiberglass fishing poles that attach together, and you can make them very long. They can go like 10, 15, even 20, probably even 50 feet. Just keep adding more and more together. But this is really neat because you can use it to pull wires between sheetrock and insulation, which is really totally awesome. And in some of my other videos, like the time lapses, you'll see me going like this on the wall, going and snaking it down through the wall. So it really helps reducing the size of the holes you have to use. And oh boy, the savings. You know, you can buy these used for like $90, $100 on eBay, about $125 new, and the time savings and not having to hire an electrician with one of these to do it, worth every penny. You know, if you buy one, use it for your project, and then sell it on eBay, get your money back. So here we go. I'm going to use this puppy. I'm going to find it up there in the ceiling. I have a good idea where it is, and I'm going to drag it over to the hole. So here we go. Oh, I think I hear it. There it is. Look at that. Woo! Magic. Oh yeah, the little trick is that when you're going, move it like this. Go whoop, 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 whoop. And you just kind of wiggle it. You just can't do a straight pull sometimes. Sometimes you can, but kind of doing a wiggle, 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 wiggle. That's the way how you do it. So that's what I'm doing here. And there we go. We have an Ethernet cable. So it's a Magnapull. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, more home theater, more wiring stuff going on here, and have a great day. Bye-bye.